Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, Sanjay Jha of the Congress, Vinod Mehta of the Outlook Group, M.R. Venkatesh, right-leaning chartered accountant from Chennai, Naresh Gujral of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Sanjay Jha, do you yourself believe that files can just go missing in a case as big as Colgate?
Arnab, let me tell you that Mr. Jaiswal has clearly stated that the majority of the files that have not been traced relate to the period between 1993 to 2004. And during this period, I think for a considerable period, 6 years of that crucial phase, when 33 coal blocks were allocated, were done under the NDA regime. I can tell you with great confidence here that 157 files, which is a majority of the files which are missing, relate to the time when Mr. Shahnawaz Hussain of the BJP and Uma Bharti, part of the NDA.
So what? No, there is. What is that argument hold? What is the point you are making? That are you trying to tell the BJP? No, 1 second. Are you trying to tell the BJP representative of the program that, by the way, we also managed to get your files missing? So if you've done any hanky-panky, you shouldn't be complaining now because, your mistakes will also be covered up by us. Is that your line of argument, Sanjay? Then you make it directly. Is that what you're saying?
Not at all. In fact, Arnab, I'm glad you asked me that question because after the UPA government came into power, we started with a transparent system of the screening committee. Before that, you had nothing. So for the BJP, that seems to
Sanjay,
be, I heard Mr. Yashwant Sinha today.
Sanjay, let me tell you, you're misrepresenting facts. You're misrepresenting the facts. You're misrepresenting the facts. Sanjay, you have come.
Find the file.
No, Sanjay. In January this year. In January this year,
got nothing to hide at all.
No, okay, fine. So I don't take what you're saying at all at face value, because in January this year, the Coal Ministry deputed a joint secretary to help the CBI trace missing files, and there were 40 files which it had still got to get access to. And you will be happy to know, Sanjay Jha, that those files related to coal blocks allotted between 2006 and 2009. And that's what I'm talking about today. But in any case, since you threw the ball into Siddharth Singh's court, Siddharth, your response to Sanjay.
Well, let me just correct. The entire Colgate scam is related to 2005 onwards to 2010, 2011. Except that when the CBI filed an FIR, the government wanted to widen the period, so they got included from 1993 onwards to 2004. So let Mr. Jha know that the Colgate scam is 1.86 crore, which is being alleged, is related to that period, which is the UPA 1 and UPA 2. Now, please, Mr. Jha, I didn't interrupt. I expect the same courtesy from you. Arnab, I expect the same courtesy from this gentleman.
No, I'm sorry. I will not allow you to try and mislead the nation.
Mr. Jha, if you will interrupt, Mr. Jha,
1.86,000 crores is nothing. It's a figment of your wild imagination, and that has been questioned by us. There is no basis, and I can argue with you on any panel discussion that has no absolute sustenance at all. So please do not try and score political brownie points.
It's the figure not given by Siddharth. It is not of Mr. Jha. Now you can keep quiet. It is not a figure given by Mr. Siddharth Singh or the BJP. It's a figure which has been given by CAG. So let's hang on that and let's not debate on the figure and let's come on to the files now.
It is meant to be
and let's be focused in a debate.
By the way, was told by the Supreme Court.
Keep it to yourself that if it is a notional loss,
that there cannot be any
issue is something different, Mr. Jha.
To the coal allocations. It is not a coal scam. If there have been
Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Sanjay Jha, let him complete. Please, Sanjay Jha, let him complete. I like this moral.
What are we debating, Mr. Arnab Goswami?
No, okay, right. Sanjay, let him complete.
What are we debating, Mr. Arnab Goswami, as an answer?
We are debating the missing files that the CBI is not getting its hands on, which the Coal Minister, Sri Prakash Jaiswal, told Times Now a month and a half back. He told us, where is the proof? When we put out a story. At that time, Jaiswal says, where is the proof the files are missing?
Thank you, Arnab.
That's what we are debating.
And I hope, thank you, Arnab, and I hope Mr. Sanjay Jha, spokesperson of Congress, is listening to the point or the debate topic today. Now, we come to a straight accusation. It's not an accusation, it's a charge. It's a conspiracy hatched by the Congress and the government and their officers to bail out the Prime Minister, and there is nothing else, and therefore this conspiracy, because this scam goes right to the Prime Minister, it goes right to the coal ministers, it goes to various other ministers and MPs and their family members of the Congress. And that is why these files have gone missing. Now, if the Congress is serious or the government is serious, Arnab, there is something which is called file tracking system, which is computerized. Everybody has to sign, and it goes into a computer in any ministry, interrelating ministries. And on the basis of that, the last person who has signed, there should be an FIR against that person, and he should be held accountable.
Madam, I want to respond to
he should declare where the file has gone.
Sanjay, I'll come to you.
I think
I will.
There is nothing else, but there is a conspiracy.
No. You see, today I'm going to get to everyone, but because Sanjay, let's get everyone in. What you're trying to say, your basic line of argument is files are generally missing. So Sanjay Jha, is it that files are generally missing? 1 second, Sanjay. Recommendation made by Congress MP Vijay Dardha, forwarded by PMO, resulted in allocation of coal block for AMR Iron 2 is missing. Interestingly, Sanjay Jha, you'll be happy to know that AMR Iron has been named by the CBI in a FIR for misrepresentation of fact. Now, if that file were to come out, Sanjay Jha, then, it gives a totally different spin. Your PMO gets dragged in and questions will be asked, why was the PMO, being a post office for forwarding these recommendations by a Congress member of parliament? So are you trying to defend the PMO? Is in that context, Sanjay? That's the context of why you're trying to defend the PMO. You're trying to tell me the file suddenly went missing. It has nothing to do with the fact that the PMO had forwarded the letter? It was just circumstantial?
Let me tell you,
it was accidental?
Let me tell you, such a paradox, Arnab. It is so ironical that the Prime Minister took the initiative of competitive bidding.
Who forwarded?
It was the BJP state government which actually did not allow a political consensus to happen. That's the reason why there was a period of roughly 3 years before the bill could be passed in Parliament.
Please let
me just make a point. No. So the Prime Minister was pushing for transparency. Now, until the 3.5-year period happened, you still could not say that.
Let's be clear, Sanjay. That was pressing. No, 1 second, Sanjay. You must be clear. Sanjay, pressing for transparency is different from 1 minute. 1 minute to you. Pressing for transparency is not the same thing as getting transparency, right? M.R. Venkatesh. The argument being made here in defense of the Prime Minister by Sanjay Jha is the Prime Minister was pressing for transparency. Critics of the Prime Minister say he was pressing for transparency after the misdeeds had been done. What's your response? Sanjay, just hear from M.R. Venkatesh from Chennai.
Okay.
See, first we have to understand, this is a case of a missing Prime Minister, missing Finance Minister, missing Defence Minister, missing government in totally. So missing files is only an outcome of such malgovernance, misgovernance. Be that as it may, I would tell you, burning files, missing files are the first resort of all scoundrels. This happens everywhere. In Adarsh, you had the entire building being burned to destroy evidence. Coming to this argument of Mr. Sanjay Jha, what he wants to tell us is that BJP's people were looting this country, and between 2004 and 2013 they had all the files and they didn't want to take any action. And like some Rajput heroes of yesteryears, they were so chivalrous that they let these people go, little forgetting that they have a constitutional obligation of hanging, whether it was Shahnawaz Hussain or Uma Bharti, if they had been in the wrong. Now Sanjay Jha is forgetting this. I think it's well past 6 p.m. I think he's not sober. Last but not the least, if Prime Minister has brought in a system of transparency, where is the transparency? Please understand, the coal policy was about to be changed, but till 2011-12, this policy was not changed, and that is the fulcrum of the CAG's report on the coal block misallocation, if I may call it, and that, according to CAG, leads to an loss of revenue of 186,000 crores. Now, you may argue till the cows come home whether 186,000 crores is the correct figure or not. As a chartered accountant, I can bring you a figure of 4 lakh crores. Please understand that there can be different. You can have as many figures as many accountants you have. But
No, we are not going to discuss the number. No, this is about numbers. This is about the ethics of it. No, don't get into the numbers.
It's not the numbers we are arguing. We are arguing the missing files.
The numbers have no meaning. The fraud has a meaning.
Political point on Arnab.
Sir, listen to the argument.
It is the missing files we are talking.
No, one second.
If the coal is under the ground, how is it a loss?
No.
I want to ask a question to you.
Sanjay, let MR complete his argument.
If the coal is not excavated, how is it a loss?
Please
How
understand.
Let me ask you the
understand.
Let me tell you out of the 1 minute. Let me ask you a question. First, listen.
No,
to me
thank you for trying to be the anchor, Sanjay. Once again,
Sanjay,
Sanjay, 1 minute. Please stop. Please, 1 minute, Sanjay. I want you to stop for a minute. Once. Mr. Sanjay, I am now going to make an observation. I fear you may not like it. Now, observation is this: that I think you are deliberately trying to move away from the subject of the discussion. Every time we discuss missing files, no, Sanjay, what's it? Every time we talk, I can re-roll the tape. Every time we are talking missing files, you are saying CAG figure. Every time we are asking missing files, you are saying NDA record. Now, I just want to tell you, Sanjay Jha, please be clear, the Supreme Court of India, not Times Now, has been repeatedly asking your government to cooperate, to provide relevant documents to the government. In fact, in July, the Supreme Court pulled up your government, saying it cannot take recourse to the excuse that files are missing or have disappeared. The Supreme Court, Justice Lodha said, the CBI is struggling. The CBI of the country is struggling. Nothing is given to them. Sanjay Jha, you think the people of this country are not watching tonight? And I'm not asking you, what are you trying to do? No, what are you trying? You think you can just lock up the files, it goes missing? It looks like a bad Bollywood script, Sanjay.
I'm answering your question. At least you agree today, and you yourself are doing that, and I'm glad so are the other panelists, that the CBI is working independently into investigating the CBI.
Don't conclude for me. All I have said is you are not helping the CBI.
Nobody has commented on that.
Nobody has said that.
Let me answer. Number two, what makes you believe that when Mr. Jaiswal says that we will get the files, that if a file is missing, we will have to investigate, and there is somebody senior in the bureaucracy who is ensuring that if the file has gone to some other related department, whether it is Ministry of Steel or Law.
Now let me tell. No, one second. Now I want to read out a particular part where I find it difficult. You are making Sanjay. Let me tell you why you have made this a joke. You made this a joke, Sanjay. Your government has made this a joke.
Wait for the coal minister's statement.
I have the papers. Now, I will put out a part of this investigation and then go to Vinod Mehta and ask him whether he's heard of anything like this before. One part of this, I have the office memorandum dated 29th of July, 2013, Vinod Mehta. Listen to this, Mr. Mehta. It's remarkable how the government is making it difficult to get access to these files. Naresh Gujral, this will be of interest to you also. In the minutes of the meeting, it is said, Joint Secretary Kohl also raised the matter about the records of companies made for allocation of coal blocks are kept in the CIL office in Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. Now listen to this. This is actually world class. It says the boxes in which these files are kept in a vertical position, and it will be difficult to open them. The boxes in which are kept in a vertical position, it will be difficult to open them. The Director Administration was asked to coordinate with the Coal India Limited office to keep all the boxes in a horizontal position in a proper sequence. This will facilitate the search for records. Bizarre. Sanjay, can you believe it? Can you yourself believe it? Vinod Mehta, what do you think? The government is saying because the boxes are in a vertical position, we can't pull out the files.
Well, Arnab, I mean, this is Guinness Book of Records. I mean, I can hear you can lose 1 file, 2 files, 4 files, 5 files. But how do you lose 157 files unless you've really tried to lose them? You know, I don't want to get into this BJP Congress debate, but listening to what you're saying and reading what is going on, it looks extremely suspicious from the Congress point of view, that these files are being, I mean, this is what it appears, prima facie, that these files are being deliberately lost, information is being suppressed, etc., etc. And you know, in a kind of democracy where anything is possible, you can lose something, you can find something. I mean, I suppose this is par for the course. But as you mentioned, this is a Supreme Court monitored investigation.
Yes,
so
it is.
Looking. I mean, I am not hostile to the Congress. I am a friend of the Congress. But as a friend of the Congress, I am telling Mr. Sanjay Jha that this looks extremely bad.